Assalamu alaikum. At first, I would like to thank all the people who are watching this video right now. Now I am introducing myself. This is Muhammad Jamil Hussain, Assistant Teacher, English, Hatia HSU High School, Shokhipur, Tangail. My dear students, the previous days I took 2 classes on transformation of sentence, affirmative to negative. Today I will also discuss some sentences to turn affirmative to negative. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's get it started. My dear students, I have written some sentences on the board. First of all, she is the best girl in the class. She is the best girl in the class. My dear students, notice the sentence here. The best. You know, best is the superlative form of adjective. Best is the superlative form of adjective. So, my dear students, if there is superlative form in affirmative sentence, then we have to follow some instruction to turn the sentence into negative one. First of all, we have to write no other. We have to write no other. So I have written here no other. Then we have to write the rest part of superlative form, adjective. The rest part of superlative form. Here superlative form is best and the rest part of superlative form best is girl in the class. Girl in the class. So I am writing no other girl in the class. No other girl in the class. Then we have to write verb. Here is verb. So I am writing is. Then we have to write as. We have to write as or so. Then we have to write positive form of superlative form. Here positive form, superlative form of best is good. So I have to write here good. Then I have to write here as once again. Then we will have to write subject of affirmative sentence. Subject of affirmative sentence, she. So the negative sentence is no other girl in the class is as or so good as she. Okay, my dear students, notice the second one. Notice the second one, but second sentence. He is taller than any other boy in the class. He is taller than any other boy in the class. My dear student, here taller. Taller is the comparative form of adjective. Taller is the comparative form of adjective. My dear students, you should keep it in mind that if there is comparative form in affirmative sentence, then we will have to follow some rules, and that is no other. We will have to first no other. Then we will have to write the rest part of then any other. Rest part of then any other. No then any other. The rest part of then any other boy in the class. So I'll have to write boy in the school. No other boy in the school, then we have to write is. Next we have to write as. No other boy in the school is as tall. Tall is the positive form of taller. Then we have to write once again as. Then we have to write subject of affirmative sentence. Okay, my dear students, the third sentence, health is wealth. Health is wealth. This is the third sentence I written on the board. If there is such kind of sentence, I mean universal truth or general truth, then we have to write isn't health wealth. Isn't health wealth. My dear students, you should remember, if affirmative sentence is in universal truth or general truth, I mean proverb sentence, then we have to make the sentence negative and interrogative to turn negative sentence. The next sentence, the sun sets in the west. It's an example of universal truth. Then we have to follow the structure of negative and interrogative. So here sets. There is s with the verb sets. So we have to write doesn't the sun set in the west. Doesn't the sun set in the west? Okay, my dear students, the next one, I have many friends. My dear students, you should remember, many will turn into not a few in negative sentence. Many will be turned into not a few. So we have to write not a few instead of many in negative sentence. Then the sentence will be, I have not a few friends. I have not a few friends. I have not a few friends. Not a few is used instead of many. Not a few is used instead of many. My dear students, notice very carefully. Here always is used. Always. I shall always remember you. I shall always remember you. If always is used in affirmative sentence, then we have to write never instead of always. We have to write never instead of always. Alongside, we have to write the opposite word of keyword of affirmative sentence. Here keyword is remember. Keyword is remember. And what will be the opposite word of remember? Of course, forget. So the sentence will be like that. I shall never forget. Forget is the opposite word of remember. I shall never forget you. I shall never forget you. Then the last one, She sometimes visits me. She sometimes visits me. My dear students, you should remember sometimes will be changed into not always. Sometimes will be changed into not always in negative sentence. Negative sentence. So the sentence will be she does not. She does not always visit me. She does not always visits me. She does not always visits me. Okay, my dear students, I will write another sentence. There is an important role turning affirmative to negative, and that is using opposite word. Using opposite word. Suppose man is mortal. Man is mortal. Then the negative sentence will be like that. Man is not immortal. Man is not immortal. She is a regular. She is a regular student. She is a regular student. The negative sentence will be she is not an irregular student. Irregular student. He is very attentive. He is very attentive to his study. To his studies. Then the negative sentence will be like that. He is not inattentive to his studies at all. Studies at all. He is not inattentive to his studies at all. My dear students, and that's the end of my today's class. I have discussed the rules of affirmative to negative. Okay, my dear students, in the next class I will discuss another topic. I hope you will join then. Okay, I pray to Allah, be safe and also pray for me. Okay, thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum.